United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 61, Conservation of the Living Resources, 1. The coastal state shall determine the allowable catch of the living resources in its exclusive economic zone. 2. The coastal state, taking into account the best scientific evidence available to it, shall ensure through proper conservation and management measures that the maintenance of the living resources in the exclusive economic zone is not endangered by over-exploitation. As appropriate, the coastal state and competent international organizations, whether subregional, regional or global, shall cooperate to this end. 3. Such measures shall also be designed to maintain or restore populations of harvested species at levels which can produce the maximum sustainable yield, as qualified by relevant environmental and economic factors, including the economic needs of coastal fishing communities and the special requirements of developing states, and taking into account fishing patterns, the interdependence of stocks, and any generally recommended international minimum standards, whether subregional, regional or global. 4. In taking such measures, the coastal state shall take into consideration the effects on species associated with or dependent upon harvested species, with a view to maintaining or restoring populations of such associated or dependent species above levels at which their reproduction may become seriously threatened. 5. Available scientific information, catch and fishing effort statistics, and other data relevant to the conservation of fish stocks shall be contributed and exchanged on a regular basis through competent international organizations, whether subregional, regional or global, where appropriate, and with participation by all states concerned, including states whose nationals are allowed to fish in the exclusive economic zone.